Hello and welcome to Investor Web, your reliable guide to the world of investing. Today we're going to embark on a journey of discovery into the realm of stock investing. It's a world full of potential where a little knowledge and strategy can go a long way. Whether you're looking for a way to grow your wealth, save for retirement, or just want to understand what all the fuss is about, you're in the right place. Stock investing, if done right, can be a powerful tool for financial growth. It's not just for the Wall Street wizards, but for everyone who wants to take control of their financial future. It's a game of patience and understanding, of risk and reward. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it all, making the complex simple and the daunting approachable. Stay with us as we dive into the exciting world of stock investing. First things first, what is stock investing? Imagine a bustling marketplace filled with stalls and vendors, each selling a unique product. Now, imagine that each of these stalls represents a company and the products they're selling are shares of their business. Well, that, my friends, is the stock market. Stock investing, then, is like going to this marketplace and buying a piece of these stalls or companies. When you buy a share of a company, you're essentially buying a piece of that company, making you a shareholder. As a shareholder, you own a fraction of the company, and that fraction could be worth a lot, depending on the company's success. Now, when you buy these shares, you're not just buying them to have a piece of paper that says you own part of a company. No, you're buying them with the hope, the expectation, that the value of these shares will increase over time. This increase in value is what we call capital appreciation. So how does this happen? Well, as a company grows and becomes more successful, its value increases. And as the company's value increases, so does the value of your shares. This means that you could sell your shares at a higher price than what you bought them for, making a profit. That's the beauty of stock investing. But remember, stock investing is not just about making quick money, it's about investing in a company's future, believing in its potential and sticking with it through thick and thin. It's about being part of a company's journey, sharing in its success and, yes, sometimes, its failures. And one more thing, as a shareholder, you may also receive a portion of the company's profits known as dividends. These dividends can provide an additional income stream, making stock investing even more attractive. This is the essence of stock investing. Buying a piece of a company, becoming a shareholder, and benefiting from its growth and success. So, stock investing is essentially buying a piece of a company and becoming a shareholder. Now that we know what stock investing is, the next question is, why invest in stocks? Well, there are several compelling reasons. Firstly, investing in stocks offers the potential for high returns. Over the long term, stocks have consistently proven to deliver higher returns compared to other asset classes, such as bonds or real estate. While the stock market may fluctuate in the short term, over the course of decades, it has historically trended upward. This means that investors can potentially earn substantial profits over time. Another significant benefit of investing in stocks is the potential for dividend income. Some companies distribute a portion of their earnings back to shareholders in the form of dividends. As an investor, these dividends can serve as a steady stream of income, which you can reinvest to buy more shares or use it to meet your financial needs. Investing in stocks also grants you ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of the company, making you a partial owner. This ownership stake means that as the company grows and prospers, so does your investment. It's a way to share in the success of businesses you believe in. Moreover, stock investing can be a great hedge against inflation. Unlike cash, which loses value over time due to inflation, stocks can potentially increase in value at a rate that outpaces inflation. This makes stock investing a powerful tool to preserve and grow your purchasing power. However, it's essential to remember that while stock investing has the potential for high returns, it also comes with risks. The value of stocks can go down as well as up, and there's always the risk that you could lose the money you invest. That's why it's crucial to approach stock investing with a well-thought-out strategy and a long-term perspective. In essence, stock investing can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. It offers the potential for high returns, the opportunity to earn dividend income, and a way to own a piece of a company. But, like any investment, it requires careful consideration, planning, and an understanding of the risks involved. You must be wondering, how do I start investing in stocks? Well, I'm glad you asked, because that's exactly what we're going to delve into. The first step in your journey to becoming a stock investor is setting clear financial goals. It's important to know what you're aiming for. Are you investing for long-term wealth, a comfortable retirement, or perhaps a down payment on a house? Your goals will influence your investment strategy, so take the time to define them. Next, it's time to roll up your sleeves and do some research. This doesn't mean you need to become a Wall Street whiz overnight, but it does mean you should have a basic understanding of the companies you're investing in. Look at their financial health, competitive position, and future prospects. You can find most of this information in a company's annual report or on financial news websites. Remember, investing in a company means you're buying a piece of their future, so make sure it's a future you believe in. Once you've done your homework, it's time to open a brokerage account. This is the platform you'll use to buy and sell stocks. There are many online brokerages to choose from, each with its own set of features, fees, and user experiences. Take the time to choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. Look for a brokerage that offers educational resources, reliable customer service, and of course, a user-friendly platform. Now comes the exciting part, buying your first stock, but hold your horses. This isn't a decision to be made lightly. Consider factors such as the company's valuation, its dividend yield, and the economic environment. Keep in mind that investing isn't about making a quick buck. It's about building wealth over the long term. So don't just follow the herd and buy the hottest stock of the day. Instead, choose a stock that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Finally, remember that investing is a journey, not a destination. It's not about making one great investment, it's about consistently making good investments over time. This means regularly reviewing your portfolio, staying informed about market trends, and making adjustments as needed. It's also crucial to stay patient and not let short-term market fluctuations shake your confidence. And with that, you are on your way to becoming a stock investor. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, so don't be discouraged if things don't go perfectly at first. Learn from your mistakes, stay committed to your goals, and keep investing. With time and persistence, you too can harness the power of stock investing. As we wrap up, let's revisit some key points. We've explored the world of stock investing, shedding light on its power and potential. Stock investing is essentially buying a piece of a company. This translates to owning a slice of their earnings and assets. It's a powerful tool to build wealth over time, offering the potential for both income through dividends and capital appreciation. We dived into why investing in stocks can be a game changer. It's not just about the potential financial gains, it's about financial freedom, securing your future, and even making a difference by investing in companies you believe in. Remember, though, that with potential rewards come potential risks. Market volatility is a part of the game, but historically the long-term trend of the stock market has been upward. Then we navigated the process of starting your stock investing journey. It's not as daunting as it might seem. Start with setting clear financial goals, conducting thorough research, and understanding your risk tolerance. Diversification is your friend, helping to spread risk across different sectors and companies. And don't forget about the importance of a consistent investment strategy, like dollar-cost averaging, to potentially reduce the impact of market volatility. Patience and perseverance are your allies in this journey. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a platform for long-term wealth creation. You need to give your investments time to grow and weather the ups and downs of the market. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on your financial goals and market conditions. Finally, remember that knowledge is power. Stay informed about market trends and financial news. Never stop learning and improving your investing skills. Use all available resources like our channel, InvestorWeb, to deepen your understanding and make informed investment decisions. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your stock investing journey today. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insightful content on investing. Until next time, keep investing.